What if I told you someone turned $100 into over $10,000 with crypto, while another person lost $5,000 in a single day, doing almost the exact same thing? Same market, same opportunity, completely different outcomes. So what's the difference? Crypto is not luck. It's not even about being smart. It's about understanding one simple thing that most beginners completely ignore. And if you miss it, crypto will humble you fast. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how people are making money in crypto right now, the hidden psychology behind it, and the one simple strategy that actually works, even if you're starting small. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. Everything you've been taught about money is outdated. For years, people trusted cash, banks, governments. You work, you save, you keep your money in a bank, and you assume it's safe. But what if I told you that system isn't designed to make you rich? Back in 2008, the global financial system almost collapsed. Banks failed, people lost their savings, economies crashed. And in that moment of chaos, something different was created. Not by a government, not by a bank, but by an anonymous person or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto. And that's where crypto began. Now forget the complicated explanations. Here's crypto in one sentence. It's digital money that no one controls, but everyone can use. No bank can freeze it, no government can print more of it, and no one can stop you from sending it. You can't hold it, you can't touch it, but somehow, people are making life-changing money from it. So what's really going on here? Here's where it gets interesting. Crypto runs on something called blockchain, but don't worry about the technical stuff. Just think of it like this. Imagine a notebook. Every time money moves, it gets written down. Now imagine that notebook is copied across millions of computers worldwide at the exact same time. So when someone sends money, everyone checks the record and agrees it's real. No cheating, no shortcuts, no middleman. That's why people trust crypto, not because of a bank, but because of the system. But let's be honest, you're not here for technology, you're here for one thing: how people are actually making money from this. So let's break it down. The first group of people are the patient ones. They buy strong coins, like Bitcoin, and they hold. They don't panic, they don't react to every price drop, they don't check charts every hour, they just wait. Months, sometimes years, and over time, that patience pays. But here's the problem: most people are not patient. That's why the second group exists. They chase trends. They follow hype. They jump into whatever coin is going viral. New tokens, social media buzz, influencers shouting this is the next big thing. They get in early, and they get out fast. When it works, they make insane profits. 2x, 5x, even 10x. But when it doesn't, they lose just as fast. Sometimes, everything. And then, there's the third group. The smart ones. They don't just hold crypto. They make their crypto work for them. They stake it. They earn passive income. Daily, weekly, monthly, even while they sleep. But here's the part no one tells you. This is where most beginners lose money. They buy when everyone is talking about it. When it's trending. When it's all over social media. When your friends start mentioning it. When it feels safe. That's exactly when it's most dangerous. Because by then, the smart money is already leaving. Smart money moves quietly, before the hype, before the headlines, before you hear about it. Now listen carefully. Crypto is not a money game, it's a mind game. Fear makes you sell too early. You see red, and you panic. Greed makes you hold too long. You see profit, and you want more. And hype makes you buy at the worst possible time. And this cycle repeats over, and over, and over again. So let's keep it real. Yes, crypto can change your life. You can start with small money, you can grow it fast, and you don't need a bank. But here's the other side. You can lose everything. There are scams everywhere. Fake coins, fake platforms, fake promises. One wrong move, one wrong click, one wrong wallet address, and your money is gone, forever. No refunds, no support, no second chances. So what's the smart move? If you're watching this right now and thinking, okay, but what exactly should I do? Let me break it down for you, step by step. Step 1. Start with money you can afford to lose. Not your rent, not your school fees, not borrowed money. Crypto is opportunity, but it's also risk. Step 2. Download a trusted crypto app like Binance or Coinbase. They're beginner-friendly, easy to use, and widely trusted. And if you want full control of your crypto, you can use a wallet like Trust Wallet. Just make sure you download the official app, not fake versions. Because in crypto, fake apps and scams are everywhere. One wrong download, and you could lose everything. Step 3. Buy one strong coin to start. Not 10 coins, not random trending tokens. Start simple. Step 4. Do not go all in at once. Split your money. Buy small amounts over time. This reduces your risk and protects you from bad timing. Step 5. Stop checking prices every hour. This is where most people destroy their profits. Emotion is your biggest enemy. Step 6. Hold longer than feels comfortable. This is the hardest part, but this is where real money is made. Step 7. As you learn, you can explore staking and earning passive income from your crypto. But don't rush it. If you follow these steps, you're already ahead of most beginners. And here's something crazy. Most people who made real money in crypto did not check their accounts every day. They bought, they waited, and they let time do the heavy lifting. So is crypto the future, or just another bubble? The truth is, it's both. But one thing is certain, the world is changing, money is changing, and opportunities are shifting. And in the next few years, there will be two types of people, those who understood this shift, and those who ignored it. The question is, which one will you be? If you want simple, real strategies that actually make money, subscribe now, because out there, there's too much noise, and not enough truth. Watch my next video on top crypto scams to avoid. Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. Invest wisely. This is money growth news. Stay informed, stay ahead,